So let's see more about disaster management. Disaster may be minor or major, short time or long time. It should be overcome, and effective disaster management is necessary for it. There is close relationship between disaster management and public participation. That means management of disaster is the part of public क्या बोलेंगे हम public work. So disaster management is either prevention of disaster or making arrangements to face it or least achieve the abilities to face it. यानी कि disaster management is of two types. What we can say here, it is the prevention of disaster. That means prevention means pre-disaster. Disaster आने के पहले ही जो योजनाएं हम बनाते हैं for the preparation of disaster, that is pre-disaster, and arrangement to face and at least achieve the abilities to face it. And post-disaster is also there. That means after disaster, what to do. So disaster is very fast process. In fact, it is accident. Disaster is called here as accident. What shall we do in such situation? How can we protect ourselves from or our belongings and animals from disaster? So in case of disaster management, there should be an attempt to minimize the losses. Disasters are never planned, but losses due to it can be prevented in planned manner. So by drawing a plan, we can control or we can overcome on disaster. So disaster management is achieving or time to time improving the ability to face the disasters through scientific and careful observations and analysis of data. For example, preparing the action plan through study of various aspects like preventive measures, rehabilitation, reconstruction, and executing that plan is nothing but the management of disaster. So disaster management can be divided into two parts. Before observing or before studying that two parts, let's see the objectives of disaster management. What will be the objectives? So many times it has been asked in exam, so we must know about objectives of disaster management. So see, the first objective is that it is important one, that's why it is given in yellow colored framework. So the first objective of disaster management will be disposal of human life suffered by human being during the calamity and release of the people. So how to release the people? It is the first objective. Second is supply essential commodities of the people to reduce the effect of disaster. Essential commodities means essential needful factors or needful things. So that is the second objective. And third is the restore the human life in the region by creating a reconciliation in disaster. Fourth one is rehabilitant disaster victims. जो डिजास्टर में सफ़र हो रहे हैं, दैट विक्टिम्स कैन बी रिहेबिलिटेंट, उनको फिर से पुनर्वसित करें. Fifth one is considering protective measure in